Let me ask you something. If your ideal client landed on your Facebook profile right now, would they instantly know who you help, how you help them, and why they should connect with you? Or would they just see another generic profile that could belong to anyone? This is an important question, and here's the truth. Your Facebook profile is prime real estate for your business. It's not just a personal page, it's one of the most powerful free marketing tools you have. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize your Facebook profile so it becomes a magnet for your soulmate clients. We're going to cover everything from your cover photo and bio to your content and connection strategy. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn casual visitors into warm leads who are excited to work with you. So first, let's shift how you see your profile. A lot of wellness entrepreneurs treat their personal Facebook like, well, a personal Facebook. And that's fine if you're just sharing family updates and vacation pics. But if you're building a business, every part of your profile should be intentional. Think of your Facebook profile as your welcome mat. When someone steps into your online world, they should instantly feel like they've come to the right place. This is so important. So that means clear messaging, nice visuals, and a strong call to action. Your profile picture should be of you smiling, approachable, and professional. This isn't the place for your dog or your logo. People connect with people, not brands. Your cover photo is your billboard. So use it to communicate who you help, what results you help them achieve, and how they can take the next step. For example, helping women over 40 turn their wellness passion into a thriving business they love. Free training at, and then you plug in your link. Simple. So make it clear, simple, and inviting. Your bio is your elevator pitch in one sentence. Use it to speak directly to your soulmate client. Instead of coach at self-employed, say, helping wellness entrepreneurs attract clients and grow to consistent 10K months with soul and strategy. Also, make sure your profile has clickable links to your group or community, to a free resource or training, and to your booking page. Make it easy for someone to take the next step with you. This is big. And Facebook lets you feature specific posts, photos, or links. So use this space wisely. Feature a welcome post introducing who you help and how, or a link to join your free group, or download your lead magnet, or a short video sharing your story and inviting connection. So here's where most people lose potential clients. They optimize their profile, but then they post random, inconsistent content. Your content should educate, so share tips that help your ideal client solve a problem. Also, your content should inspire, so share your story and client wins. You want engaging content, so ask questions that spark conversation. And your content should invite, so share free resources, trainings, or programs. Remember, people will scroll your profile before deciding to connect or message you. So let your posts show your expertise and personality. An optimized profile won't work if you're not actively engaging. So make a habit of commenting thoughtfully on posts from your ideal clients and responding to every comment on your post. This is big. And sending friendly welcome messages to new connections. This goes a long way. It's not just about looking good, it's about building real relationships. So here's a quick test for you. Ask a friend who fits your ideal client profile to look at your Facebook page for 10 seconds. And then ask them if they can answer these three questions. Who do you help? What result do you help them achieve? And what's the next step to connect with you? If the answer to any of these questions is no, you've got some tweaking to do. Your Facebook profile isn't just a digital business card, it's a client attraction machine when used correctly. So take an hour today and go through each section we covered. Make it clear, make it aligned, and make it easy for your soulmate clients to say, yes, I want to work with her. And if you want to go deeper into building a business that's aligned, automated, and profitable, come join us inside the Purpose to Profit program. We'll not only help you attract soulmate clients, we'll give you the systems, tools, and mentorship to serve them with excellence. So now give your Facebook profile the makeover it deserves and watch how it starts working for you. So thank you so much for being here. Till next time, take care.